Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to turn off your red receipts on Airbnb account. So first we're going to go to the Airbnb app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the Play Store or App Store. Then next we're going to click on the profile section. Then once you scroll downwards, we're going to click on privacy. So as you can see, the red receipts is turned on. You're going to turn it off. So when you turn it off, the people won't see you've read their message. So it's a hack basically. So this is how you do it. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as we've been releasing daily videos. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.